In this video, we're going to look at the new feature of wasta-Linux called Wasta Menus. First off, I want to give thanks to the BALSA team for largely creating the system and used by Wasta Menus. They've done a great job. What is Wasta Menus? Wasta Menus is a simple menu limiting system so that when you go to your main menu here, you would not see all of the installed applications on the computer. As you can see, by default, there are several applications in wasta-Linux. Too many for a beginning user. Also, another reason you may want to use Wasta Menus is for a kiosk computer where there should only be a few applications available to a user. Mainly it is for a beginning user situation where they have a few specific tasks to do. So how do we limit the menu? As you can see here again, we've got many applications. How we enable Wasta Menus is by holding the Alt key on your computer, Alt, and pressing F2. This brings up a command prompt from where we can enter the command needed to enable Wasta Menus. Type Wasta Menus config and hit enter. This will bring up the introduction window. Go ahead and tick on and select OK. Messages are given confirming that the Wasta menus have been enabled. And now if you go back to your main menu, you'll see that there are only a few a few applications in this main menu. The others are hidden from the user. Note that this is only on an individual user basis. So if this current user that I am running under has limited menus using Wasta Menus, if there's another user on the computer, they don't have to have Wasta Menus enabled and can remain using the full menu of all applications. But here we are with the limited menu just as we need. Now, how would we go about adding an additional application here? Maybe this application list does not meet your needs. Also, I would like to note here that this default list of applications can be customized by any wasta-Linux regional customizer. So this is just the default the default number of applications available, but it can be adjusted as needed. Okay, if we do want to add another application to this menu, again, hold the Alt key and press F2 for your run prompt, and this time type in Wasta Menus add app. Before I hit enter here, I want to show you, let me back up. You can use the tab key also to complete these commands. If I hit tab here, it doesn't know anything, but if I go more, it does know the word Wasta. Now it's wondering what else I need. Menus, add, app. It's the only command that satisfies Wasta Menus -A. So it auto-completes that command for me. This can help in your typing. So we enter this command, Wasta Menus add app, and we're now presented with a list of applications that are currently not showing in the limited Wasta menus. Let's go ahead and add one of these applications. Let's say we want to be able to play chess. Let's also go ahead and add another game, Mines. Why not? Click OK. We get a message that chess and mines have both been added to the Wasta menus. Let's check it out. Going back to the main menu, we can see the games category is now available, and here indeed are chess and mines. So that's how you add another application to the Wasta menus. Now, how do you disable the Wasta menus if you want to go back to the full menuing system? Again, Alt and F2, Wasta Menus, I'm hitting Tab again to complete, Config. Enter. We can simply select the off radio button here and click OK. Wasta menus have now been disabled. Look at your main menu again. You will see the full menu list with all installed applications available again. Now, one last thing is what if the Wasta menus for some reason get corrupted or there's some problem with them? You can always restore them to their default settings by following this method. First, hold Alt again, press F2, Wasta Menus Config. And first we're going to remove the current Wasta menus. There will be an additional question here to ensure that you want to proceed. Click Yes, you're sure you want to completely remove the Wasta menus and settings for the current user. Okay, they have been removed. Now, if I go ahead, Alt F2, Wasta Menus Config again, now if I turn them on again, they will bring in the default settings again. Check your main menu. Note that games is not here. Remember I had added chess and mines. Those are not here. We are back to the default list of applications for Wasta menus. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. Again, remember that regional customizers of wasta-Linux would be able to fairly easily adjust this listing of default applications for Wasta menus.